Welcome, loves, to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I have a formal event that I should be attending today with my husband, and my former colleagues, they invited me to this party, Independence Day of a country. I don't really know if I can pronounce it on camera. I don't really know, guys. So yeah, we're going to be attending, and I'm going to be filming and showing you, not even filming, but maybe taking a couple of photos for you guys to witness this great event. I love you, and let's get started. I want to show you my full routine from foundation to my complete makeup look. We're going to start with hydration, as I always do: toner, Nivea aftershave lotion, and sun cream. This is the base. You can substitute it with any favorite products. It's just to moisturize my face underneath all of these makeup products. I'm going with my cream contour palette. With purple, we're neutralizing yellow, and green I always add to make sure that it's seamless with the rest of my undertone and with the rest of my complexion. I am blending this out with foundation brush first, and on top going with a little bit different fluffy brush that I use to contour my face and transfer my hydrator from Wet n Wild. I love the formula. It's so lightweight, and that is the main reason why I picked this option for today's event. Then I'm going with the bronzers from the same cream palette and getting this on the sides of my face, blending out with the same brush I used for my foundation. Then I want to add a little bit more of concealer on top of my forehead, over my chin, on the sides of the face to clean the bronzer. The concealer I'm using for these spots is Sephora. At first, I wanted to make sure that I have everything in place with the brush, and then with the beauty blender, I'm making sure that I have no harsh lines at all. And my concealer for under eye area is L.A.Girl Pro.concealer that I'm blending with my fingers. I'm gonna set my whole face with a powder. This is Makeup Revolution powder, and this triangular puff. It's super handy to use, but make sure that you take off a little bit of the product on the back of the hand before you use it to set your face. Let's play with some contour. I'm using Art-visage. This is contour shade. You can see that it's cool tone and it's super fair. For fair complexion, this is the shade. It's perfect match. I'm doing this on the sides of the face with the same brush. Yeah, it is all in one brush, and going over my nose bridge with the same contour. Bronzer I'm using for my forehead and the tip of the nose. I guess this is the best combination of colors when it's not too warm, when it's not too cool. And now we're going to my blush. As for blush, I'm doing a combination of both from BH Cosmetics, and it's really bright, but I bring this on the sides, on the tip of the nose, and I tap it off before applying it anywhere else. MUA Makeup Academy is going to do the job for the forehead, nose, chin, and a little bit on the sides of the face, and with any leftovers, go over your foundation. I want to set my face with a fix and spray from Essence. Finally, it's back. I'm not using any more Catrice. And when it's all done, set, and well blended, I'm going with the same contour palette we used right at the beginning, using some blush shades on the sides, and with the same cream highlighter, and finishing the rest of the look. Going back to the same powder MUA Makeup Academy highlighter to finish the rest of the foundation on the sides of the face, a little bit nose bridge, and a little bit on top of my forehead. Let's not forget about brow routine. I'm using my Essence brow pencil. This is color 05 for blondes, but basically I'm not blonde. This is just the lightest shade with no orange color into that. I am outlining the shape of my brow using the same color to fill them in. Use my Guerlain brow mascara to make them look fluffy, and use my NYX brow pencil on top of it all. I am finally doing my eye makeup look. It's gonna be really colorful, matching the outfit of today's event, and that is the main reason why we're going with the NYX eye primer. It's gonna create a great foundation for my look. The first shade to set my primer is gonna be soft purple, and with a baby blue color, I'm experimenting in the outer corner and inner corner underneath my brow with a fluffy brush. With a mix of two colors, this is navy blue and purple, kind of dark purple shade, blending this in the outer corner and a little bit lower than the actual crease. I want to create a shape with the help of a flat surface from sun cream, but you can use whatever you want. And I always try to make sure that with any color, I use some protection. I'm doing a lot of blending back and forth with baby blue and purple, and with my concealer, I want to clean a little bit the inner part of my eye. With the purple shade that I used to set my lid, I want to place it in the inner corner on top of my concealer, make sure that it looks really blended. And with a shimmery shade from this unnamed, I don't know, palette, I want to add this a little bit in the inner corner. Time to work with the lower lid. Over waterline, I'm playing with my baby blue eye pencil. With a mix of two shades I used in the outer corner of the top lid, blending everything out, adding a little bit of purple to smooth that out even more. And of course, I want to clean the edge with the previous concealer I used for the inner corner. In the inner corner, I am combining silver shimmers and pink shimmers, and finally doing a thick black line really close to the lash line. Cone lashes with two different mascaras because I'm almost out of
two of them, and this is the final result for my eyes. But before I coated my lower lashes, I added Makeup Revolution loose powder, and I'm not gonna set it with any setting spray, just gonna wipe it off later. My lip option is super safe, baby pink color from Eveline, and I'm outlining with a similar shade lip pencil. Enjoy the look.
Okay guys, I'm in my tights, and on top of my tights I have some warm shorts because it's pretty cold outside, and I have a work thing, and I'm going to be wearing a dress, and it's a pretty short dress. That is the reason why I need some warmth underneath. I'm going to be going with this really cool sheer blouse, and on top grab my navy blue dress. Here I am in the dress. My mom keeps telling me that it is too short, but I don't know, is it? I'm going to wear some high boots, and yeah, I know this is going to be in the embassy, but still. And then I have really cute ring, silver earrings, my wedding rings, and a couple of bracelets. Last but not least, it's going to be shoes with the leopard print, but I was thinking maybe I should keep my high boots and wear them instead of shoes. I don't know, guys. What do you think? And last but not least is going to be my bags. I'm going to grab a big black bag because I think I need a lot of things to carry around. I'm gonna grab my book, I'm gonna grab a couple more things with me, and that is the reason why I need something big, and this is gonna be the look. But I guess I still would put on high boots and call it a day. I don't know if I really like these shoes. What do you think, guys? Okay guys, and this is the final result. I love this makeup look, and I'm going to be carrying you around hopefully and filming the rest of the event. It's not going to be a lot of different photos or videos. Mainly I'm just going to take a couple of pics, and you probably are going to see this right in front of you on your screens. And this is it. I love you all so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's small get ready with me, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.